Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced, and right after the wallpaper we've got the sleep, so let's enter. And here we've got a lot of options from which we can choose, so we can set for example 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 10 minutes applied, and you know it because this option is marked, and in order to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use. So let me pick for example 5 minutes, that was a misclick, and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the sleep time in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.